Hi, everyone, and welcome to my video about the food of Pu Luong, Vietnam. Pu Luong is a beautiful mountainous region in the north of Vietnam, and it's home to some amazing local cuisine. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to some of my favorite dishes from Pu Luong, and I'll show you how to make them at home. 1. Co Luong grilled duck. The duck is then grilled over an open fire until it's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Co Luong grilled duck is a delicious and hearty dish that's perfect for a special occasion. It's also a great way to enjoy the fresh duck that's found in Pu Luong. One of the most popular dishes in Pu Luong is Co Luong grilled duck. This dish is made with a whole duck that's marinated in a special sauce made with lemongrass, chili peppers, and other spices. 2. Banana flower salad. Another popular dish in Pu Luong is banana flower salad. This salad is made with banana flowers, shrimp, pork, peanuts, and a variety of herbs and spices. The banana flowers are shredded and then mixed with the other ingredients. The salad is then dressed with a simple vinaigrette dressing. Banana flower salad is a refreshing and delicious dish that's perfect for a hot day. It's also a great way to experience the local cuisine of Pu Luong. 3. Bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoots are a popular vegetable in Vietnam, and they're also a popular ingredient in many dishes in Pu Luong. Bamboo shoots can be eaten raw, but they're most often cooked. They can be stir-fried, grilled, or steamed. Bamboo shoots are a versatile ingredient that can be used in many different dishes. They're a good source of fiber and nutrients, and they're also a low-calorie food. 4. Tofu with lemongrass and chili. Tofu is a type of tofu that's made with soya bean. It's a firm tofu that's often used in stir-fries and other dishes. In Pu Luong, tofu is often cooked with lemongrass and chili peppers. This gives the tofu a unique flavor that's perfect for a spicy dish. These are just a few of the many delicious dishes that you can find in Pu Luong, Vietnam. If you're ever in the area, be sure to try some of these local specialties. You won't be disappointed. I hope you enjoyed this video about the food of Pu Luong, Vietnam. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.